Hobo spiders are frequent pests that are infamous for unironically living up to their name. People often encounter them invading and setting up nests in rarely visited parts of human homes. Once thought to be aggressive house spiders with dangerous venom, these actually mild-mannered spiders can be beneficial to have as long as they stay outside. Once they invade indoors, they're not only a nuisance, but they can also bite people when threatened. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and control hobo spiders so you can stop these squatters from setting up inside of your house. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about hobo spiders, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Hobo spiders are among the smaller variety of spiders, but they're not tiny. The males grow up to 11 millimeters in body length, and the females grow up to 14 millimeters. Their body colors feature several shades of brown, with stripes down the cephalothorax, turning into a zigzag or herringbone pattern down the abdomen. Hobo spiders are often mistaken for other spiders, like wolf spiders. While these pests may seem similar, it's important to distinguish between the two as they each require different approaches to control. Wolf spiders have similar body markings to hobo spiders. They both feature several shades of brown, with stripes along the cephalothorax. However, the wolf spider's stripes usually continue down along the abdomen, whereas the hobo spider's stripes stop. Additionally, wolf spiders will grow much larger than any hobo spider, growing up to 35 millimeters in body length. Aside from appearance, both spiders also behave much differently and have different preferred habitats. Hobo spiders will spin funnel webs and wait for prey to approach and get trapped. These nests are usually found near the ground, built into debris, wood, or overgrown vegetation. Wolf spiders dig burrows into the ground to rest or hide. They'll actively hunt down prey either by ambush or by chasing it down. Wolf spiders won't usually spin webs. Use these differences in appearance and behavior to confirm if you're dealing with hobo spiders, and prepare to conduct a full inspection. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or to find hotspots of activity. To check indoors for hobo spiders, prioritize looking in less frequented parts of the house with poorer or little ventilation. This includes the basement, the garage, the attic, or any crawl spaces. Hobo spiders that invade will establish themselves where it's moist with little human activity, since other invading pests, or the spider's food source, can be found there as well. Look around any clutter and behind and underneath any furniture. Hobo spiders are not good climbers, so they'll stay closer to the floor. Keep an eye out for any spiders, their funnel-shaped webs, and any entry points into the structure there may be, and take note of what you found. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. If you're dealing with hobo spiders inside your home, you'll need to address the areas you've spotted activity in by cleaning, then applying a residual insecticide. We recommend you use an insecticide like Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a bifenthrin-based insecticide that is labeled to control over 70 different pests. Start treatment by cleaning and getting rid of clutter in rooms that are prone to pest invasion. Hobo spiders need more clutter and debris on the floor to provide foundations for their nests and hiding places. By tidying up, you reduce the number of available harborages that hobo spiders can take advantage of. Next, you'll need to address any entry points you may have found and apply exclusion methods to ensure no more pests can invade. Tight cracks and crevices may be filled with caulk, while larger voids may need to be stuffed with copper mesh. You may also need to repair any torn screens or fix brush or rubber seals onto doors and windows. After you've cleaned and applied exclusionary control, you'll need to treat indoors with Reclaim IT. Though Reclaim IT is labeled to kill spiders, the main goal with this application is to eliminate and prevent other pest insects from invading your home. These pests serve as the spider's food source, so with them gone, hobo spiders will have one less reason to invade your home. To make an indoor application with Reclaim IT, you'll mix a solution at the labeled rate of 0.33 fluid ounces to 1 whole fluid ounce of product per 1 gallon of water. Use the higher amount if you're dealing with a heavy pest infestation. We recommend you make the application with a 1-gallon handheld pump sprayer, since it makes both mixing and applying product quick and simple. To mix your solution, first fill your sprayer halfway with water. Add your measured amount of product into the sprayer, then add the remaining water up to the 1-gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump the sprayer a few times to produce a low-pressure spray. With low pressure, treat where pests may be hiding and pay close attention to cracks and crevices. This includes baseboards, closets, around water pipes, around doors and windows, and behind and underneath appliances. When applied properly, Reclaim IT will leave behind a powerful residual that will continue to control labeled pests for up to 90 days. Many spiders, like the Hobo spider, may not be affected by the application, simply because the residual effects of pesticides do not affect spiders the same way it affects other pests. Spiders must be sprayed directly in order to be affected by the pesticide solution. After chemical treatment, we suggest you set up glue traps to monitor for any further activity. We recommend you use Solutions Pro glue boards for easy setup and placement. Simply remove the trap's waxy paper seal and lay the trap flat and flush against the wall where you've seen pest activity out of the reach of any children or pets. If you, a child, or a pet get stuck on these glue boards, you can use cooking oil to loosen the trap's stickiness. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. To stop hobo spiders from invading, you'll first need to address any moisture issues you may be having inside your home, fix any leaky pipes, address any air conditioning problems, drain any standing water, and dry your sinks every night. All animals need water to survive, and pests are attracted to moist rooms, so by reducing your home's moisture content, pests will have less reason to invade. After reducing your home's moisture, continue to pick up and clean inside and outside of your home. Rake the lawn regularly, pick up any debris, and keep firewood properly stacked away from your home's foundation. This will remove additional harborages that spiders or other pests can use outside your home, forcing them to seek shelter off your property. Finally, keep up with timed applications of Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT has a 90-day residual effect, so we recommend you spray quarterly to keep pests away year-long. Additionally, you can reinforce your spray application by making a perimeter treatment around your home as well. With the same mix rate, just spray along your home's outer perimeter, spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. This barrier will ensure that labeled pests will be unable to even approach your home, let alone invade it in the first place. Hobo spiders may be mild-mannered, but they'll leave webs in your home and deliver a nasty bite even if you accidentally disturb them. Remember, there are ways to control infestations big or small, so with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop hobo spiders from infesting your home, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.